So remember these 3 verses. Karturajnaya prapyate phalam karma kim param karma tajjadam kritimaho dado patana karanam phalamashashvatam gati nirodhakam ishwararpitam nechaya kritam chitta shodakam mukti sadakam kaya vangmana karyamuttamam pujanam japas chintanam krama. Bhagavan says, knowing this, karma has its own doshas, inbuilt by default. It has certain defects. What are they? That any karma gives you an ego. Any karma can arise within you, likes and dislikes, raga, dvesha. Any karma can rise feelings of jealousy and hatred within you. And all of these things are basically obstacles to our spiritual growth. Because what is happening? You take the sense that karma gives you the sense of doer. So I am the doer. And what I get out of that karma, I begin to suffer it or enjoy it. So I am the enjoyer also. Aham karta, aham bhokta. This kind of thinking becomes reinforced within us because of karma that we do. We have to be alert and aware about this. Understand that karma can lead you to this. And then when we keep doing something, we also develop, I like to do this. I don't like to do this. And then when there is somebody else who does as good as me, I don't like that person anymore. Because now I feel insecure within me. Insecurity arises. When that person is better, I feel jealous. We always compare others with whatever we can do. If I can't sing at all, and there is a singer who is with me, I'm never jealous of that singer because she is not a problem to me. I can't sing, so I never thought that I could do that, right? But if I can sing and I meet another singer, I am jealous of that singer because she sings better than me. She's capable of singing better than me. People appreciate her more than me. Then I have got a problem. So you see how all these actions of ours can create these things, hatred. It develops a sense of isolation, a sense of separateness. And we are constantly frustrated. Actions can lead, but these very actions, because we need to act in this world and we will be propelled to act, it can be transformed. The way we work can be transformed. How? By dedicating our actions to the Lord, surrendering to Him, saying that I am doing this because this needs to be done. In great faith, I am doing it. And I am doing it with the best of intentions, to the best of my capacity, with all my knowledge and prior experience, I am doing this. So when I take this kind of approach to whatever I am doing, then that action doesn't bind me. So if there is somebody who is doing equally well, I will say, so wonderful. Is there something I can learn from him or her? How I can better myself? Then fantastic. There are more people doing, I am more happy. How we are growing in this? Fantastic. We are all doing very well. I'm not looking at who is getting appreciated or who somebody gets more appreciation than I do. Then I say, see, they don't even appreciate what I'm doing. My worth is not, people don't understand my worth here. No, it's not about that at all. Very difficult. Karma yoga is for purification. This is karma yoga, when you go doing your karma with this kind of an approach. So here Bhagavan, that is why he says that dedication to the Lord must be supreme, must be enhanced.